Hello children. So today I will continue with the story of Prakash, a boy who used to stay in the orphanage. Now he had become a bit popular because he won the cricket match for the team. But Prakash didn't still interact with many people. Now one day when he came back after playing, he found that somebody had opened his bag and the things inside the bag seemed to have turned around. He checked inside but nothing was missing. So Prakash felt maybe I made a mistake. Now the next day after the children came back from playing, another boy, Akash, he also complained that somebody has gone through my bag. Who has gone through my bag? If I find out, I'll beat that boy up. And he started saying that. So Prakash started thinking, who is going through people's bags? So Prakash had an idea. Do you know what he did? He took a bit of ink, okay, the pen ink which is there, and he put a bit of ink on the zip where the bag opens. And this time when he went to play, he told, hey listen, nobody should open my bag, okay? There is something important inside it. Okay, now there was nothing important inside it. He wanted to catch the thief. Okay, so this time when he went to play, he played, and when he came back, he saw again that his bag was open and things were shifted here and there. So now he knew the boy who must have opened his bag will have ink in his hands. So Prakash slowly went around and he looked at everybody and he noticed everybody's hands, and then he saw one boy who was just 5 years old. His name was Naidu, and Naidu's hand had blue ink. Okay, so Prakash now understood that Naidu must have opened his bag. Okay, but did he go and complain to the director? Did he go and tell all the big boys that Naidu is the naughty boy who opened everybody's bag? So Prakash did not do that because he's just 5 years old. So what Prakash did is after dinner, he went to Naidu and asked Naidu, why did you open my bag and take a look at my things? So Naidu said, I have not done it. But as soon as he did like this, Prakash looked at his hand and said, why is your thumb and your fingers blue? So Naidu said, ink came on my hand, that's why it's blue. So Prakash said, but you write with the pencil, no? Where do you write with the pen? Naidu now knew he was in some kind of trouble. He said, it came, I don't know. So Prakash said, now stop lying. I only put ink on the zip of the bag, okay? And that is how I know that you are the one who has opened the bag. So Naidu became really scared. He is now 5 years, Prakash is 7 years, slightly taller than him. But Naidu became really scared because, not because Prakash, but he knew if Prakash told somebody, he will get a beating from the big boys. So he said, Prakash, don't tell anybody, I'm very sorry. I was curious and I just wanted to see what all was in your bag. What is the thing which you got today? So I was just curious. I'm sorry, Prakash, it won't happen again. So Prakash said, did you take anybody's things? If you took anybody's things, you should return it. So Naidu said, no, I didn't take anybody's things. But I have this habit of opening and looking at people's bag and all. So Prakash said, listen, you have to be very serious. Don't do such a thing in the future. Okay. So this time I am letting you go. But if this happens again and again, you will get into trouble. So Naidu said, thank you, Prakash. You are such a nice boy. And from that time onwards, Naidu will listen to whatever Prakash says. Now Prakash is slightly elder to him, he is 7 years old. But Naidu will listen to whatever Prakash says and he will help him out. Some of the big boys said, what is Naidu up to? Why does he always take care of Prakash? But they didn't realize it was that serious. And they thought maybe Prakash and Naidu are friends. But the real reason was Prakash kept Naidu's secret and didn't trouble him because he felt he should get one more chance. Okay, children? So next time I'll continue with Prakash's story in his orphanage. Okay? Thank you.